asking myself a question. I think it's day 20.
Hi, it's me, Alan. So, I think this is day 20, but actually, this is day 21 because hi, it's already 21. Ano na ako, 16 years old. So, I'm already 16 years old. 16 years old na ako, boy. Pero, kahit ganun, ask pa rin kitang question. So, my question is, it will be very important. So, napaka-importante para sa akin. So, boy, Kian, are you content? Are you content with your life? Hindi lang masaya ka na ba sa buhay mo? Masaya ka ba sa buhay mo? Ganun. No. You know what I mean? When you achieve, or you have you already achieved your goal, the things you want, you already got them. Is that what being content is? Kapag nakamit mo na ang lahat na pinapangarap mo, bro. So, Alan, Kian, what does it mean to be content? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging content sa buhay? At matatanong ko sa'yo, content ka na ba sa buhay mo? Rather, I'm 16. 16 na ako, boy. Tanda ako na. So, yo, God bless you, bro. Peace.